Hi, this is Carrie, and this morning there's one of my friends on Facebook that wanted to know about the group poster, so I thought I would do a video on a particular option here, and it's called Get Group Member Data. And I ran a test just a few minutes ago, and this information here is pretty awesome. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works, and it's pretty cool. And let me tell you a little bit about what it does. It actually gathers the group members data. What that means is you can gather members information like their page, and so you can get to know them and build a relationship with people. So this is pretty cool, where it gathers groups members information, so you can talk about the group that they're in, and join the group that they're in, and get to know people and build relationships, and that's what it's all about. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So in this area here, you have two options to choose from. You can choose from using the search term, or you can use gather the group members data using open groups list. So if you choose the first options using the search term, you would come right here, and it has a speed on it. And when I ran this test, I just used average, and let me tell you something. Just choosing average, it spit out 24 members information within seconds. So I can just imagine what the fastest would do. But I did average because, of course, I don't want to get into Facebook jail, and this is something that I just stumbled upon because I've been using this poster to post and gather groups and stuff like that for me. So this was something that I haven't used yet. And so I just wanted to take it at the minimum, range around average. So it spit out pretty fast. So I'm going to go ahead and show you on the average. So right here you would go ahead and use whatever keywords, for my niche, it's a work from home. I want members information so I can get to know people that is in the same kind of groups as me as working from home. Okay, with this one, you will have to create a text document. And what a text document is, if you go underneath, it depends on what kind of computer. I have a Windows 8 computer, so I'll go to my starting tiles, and I will grab what's called a note, and or a notepad. So if you have a different kind of computer, just look for Notepad, and that's a text document. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a text document. Give me a minute. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and open one up, and let's go ahead and save this document as. And go ahead and put it in an area that we will remember, where you can remember where this document's at. But for right here, for right now, I'm just going to use documents. And go ahead and name this so it'll be easier to find. Okay. So we're going to hit save. So now that it's named and it's in the folder that I want it to be in. So let's go ahead and exit this out. And in this area here is where you've already have a list of groups that you can gather the members data from, which I don't have one. Like I said, I'm just now testing this out. So I want to use the document that I just created and saved. So let's go ahead and choose a file, and I had it underneath documents, and this is my document, so I'll choose it and save it. And it will always pop this up because it's going to change, so you want to replace it because it's going to fill up with data, so you want to hit yes. And you see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the poster on, And I'll let you watch as it is in action. Right here it'll say all you gotta press is OK for it to go ahead and for the software to go ahead and start. And right here with this one, it gives you an option to make sure that your term, your search term, is correct. So that's pretty neat right there. So you'll just go ahead, OK, and make sure you are logged in. Okay, let's try this again. Let's start. Okay, and my search term is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and sit here and let you watch this while it's, I'm going to gather approximately like probably about 3 pages, maybe 4 pages of people. This is the best way I think that it's going to, for me personally, is to get out there and actually talk to people, get to know people. And if you're wondering who Richard is, that's my father. We are a team. And if you want to know any more information about him or me, just look us up on Facebook. So back to what I was saying, this is a good way to get to know somebody, and because they're going to be in the same niche as you, because you choose the keyword, and you can get to know them and see what they're involved with, what's working, what's not. Just in a few seconds here, it's already gathered 12 people, so it's pretty fast. And on an average, if we just wait until it goes to the next page, on an average speed, if we can find out, we wait 5 seconds to navigate. So I can just imagine what the fastest is probably 1 second it goes to the next page. But as you can see, an average of gathering these people's information is pretty phenomenal. Fine for me this morning. I want to give a shout out to Tony. Thank you for bringing this up to my attention so I can do a video on it. I did some research, and I could not find a video on this poster about grabbing the group member data. So I want to say thank you for bringing that to my attention. So now that it's gathered, this is the 4th page. You can see how powerful this is, and I'm not going to go into the document so I can show you the information because, of course, that's my information. So I go get to know these people. But as you can see how this particular field works, and I guess this is it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.